Hello my dear student, I welcome you all to the maths class. So in today's class we will be solving self-practice 11b. So in this self-practice we will learn how to measure the line segment with the help of a ruler or scale. So everyone has got ruler or scale with you. So the first question is you have to measure the length of the following line segment. So this is a line segment here given. Yes, A, B, C, three line segments are mentioned. So you have to measure their length with the help of scale 1 by 1. Okay, so I hope you all know how to measure the length. So this is on the scale, it is centimeter value, right? So this starts from 0. So P, I'll keep this 0 in the P point here. And this Q point. Alright, so you'll keep like this and you will measure the value. Okay, alright, you just see it is 0 to 3 is here, 3.1. okay, decimal point will start after the whole number, 3.1, 3.2, 3.3. so I'm getting the value as 3.3. if you can check it properly, 3.1, 3.2 and 3.3. so it is 3.3 centimeter. Okay, is this okay? 3.3 centimeter is the length of this line segment. So line segment has two endpoint and it has certain measurement, right? So the measurement of this line segment which is mentioned here is 3.3 centimeter. All right, so proceeding to the next one. So I hope you have understood how to measure. X value you can keep in 0.0. Yes, exactly, right? So now if you see this 4 here, and if you proceed further, it is 5 here. It is 0.5. So 4.5, not 5 centimeter. 5, if it would be 5, then this line would be somewhere here. But it is not 5, so it is 4.5 centimeter. You'll write 4.5 centimeter here. Okay, the remaining one, which is number C, will be your home assignment. So in this chapter, in this self-practice, basically we will deal with the measurement of a line segment. We will measure the length with the help of scale or a ruler. Okay, now here what we have to do, draw the line segment of the given length using a ruler. So now what you have to do, a value is given, measurement is given. Now you have to draw a line segment. Okay, so to draw this you need your geometry copy. Okay, so which I'm doing in a rough here. Draw the line segment of the given length using a ruler. 7.2 centimeter you have to make. So taking a scale, take the scale, and this is your point, 1 point. Yes, from here it will start, and it is 7.2. just check it out. This is 7 here, 7 is here, 7 centimeter. And if you proceed further, then it will become 7.1 and 7.2 is here. Absolutely right. So make a straight line, connect this. So this is our 7.2. You can give a name here, point A. You can give the name here, point B. So this is our 7.2 centimeter line segment. The name of the line segment is AB. So this is how you represent line segment AB, and the measurement is 7.2 centimeter. Proceeding to the part B, we have 8.6 centimeter. Yes, so I'm making down here 8.6 centimeter. So first of all, this is the point where you'll start, from where you'll start. This is the one, and 8.6 is the measurement. 8 is here. Now 8.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5 is here, and one more 0.6, right? So here 8.6. so this is our line segment which measures 8.6 centimeter. Give the name PQ. So this is our line segment PQ whose measurement is 8.6. all right, so I hope you have understood this. The remaining one, do it yourself. Okay, 6.3 centimeter, which is very easy. The next one, proceeding to the part 3, question number 3. Using a ruler, measure the length of the following. Number A, pencil. So here I have a pencil. You may have your own pencil. Yes, you can choose it. the length of your pencil. Now from here to here, just see, from 0 I have started there, and here it is 50, somewhere you can keep like this and just check it out. It is absolutely 15.1. just check it out. 15 point it is 15 here, and it is 15.1 2 3. Yes, 15.3. So my pencil measures 15.3 centimeter. So my pencil length is 15.3 centimeter. So now, okay, you may have your own pencil, so you may choose the length according to your length. Alright, so next is your eraser. So eraser, I have one eraser here which I have taken from my student. So to measure this, what you need to do, from here I'll do it like this. So it start from here. It's approximately, it measures about 2.7. just see, it is 2.7 or 2.8, you can check it out. So it may be 2.8 or 2.7, in between you may write that. So your eraser may also vary. So candle, I don't have candle with me, so you can take the candle, okay, and measure it. Matchbox. So I've got one matchbox here. So to measure this, it's very easy, right? Now this is 0 here. Now what is the measurement? It is 4.3 here, right? Just see, it is 4.3. So matchbox will measure about 4.3 centimeter. Again, pencil box is not with me, so you will measure your pencil box with the help of scale. Your matchbook. So this is my total, this is the total length, right? So if you measure it, it is 26.5 centimeters. So the measurement of the matchbook, you can measure the length of this composite matchbook, or you can take the help of your magic book also, and you can measure the length. All right, so I have got approximately 26.5. You can do it here on and check the value. Okay, so now we are over with this self practice. In this self practice, we have learned how to measure the length of a given line segment with the help of a ruler, right? So in our next class, we will be proceeding with the topic angle and solved various exercise problems given in that self practice. Okay, so see you in the next class. Till then, stay safe and healthy. Thank you everyone.